Hi, Harshitha.
Hello.
Yeah, this is Divya from Quality Department. Today, I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Okay.
Yeah, Harshitha, can you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Ashita. I completed my engineering in East West College. So my native is Mandya.
Okay, that's nice. How is your journey with PS?
Actually, after my completing my engineering, looking for the job through the PES Apna app. I get to know about the PES. Through the PES, they first taken an interview like a written test and the skills of the softwares. Then I get to know about the PES. They place it some company.
Okay, tell about your profile and the role which you have selected for.
Actually, before I selected as a designer role, as an interior designer role to the Homeland company through the PES.
Oh, that's good.
So
Yeah.
there I used to work 2 years of experience.
Then, how was your interview process? How it went?
Actually, two to three rounds will be there in show. I taken 2 to 3 rounds. First will be writing test, and second will be the software test. The how get knowledge I am in softwares like Almos or AutoCAD, any software. Then the HR round will be there. So almost I attended the 2 interviews through the PES.
Yeah, the opportunity you have obtained it through PS.
As the 2 companies referred from the PES only, the great opportunity.
Yeah, how was the HR team support towards you from the PS side?
They selected with they referred the great companies. Actually, according to my profile, they referred. Actually, I was working as a product designer through the same field. They referred me as well because it will be easy to work and for my career growth also. So I placed it to the 2 companies. So before after getting the offer letter, the HR helped to get a good paid salary. So as per that, the PS HR team will be supported throughout my procedure.
Yeah, thank you, Ashita, for
Thank
your.
you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.